Hello, this is Kurt from Grand Purpose Piano. You can reach us at grandpurpose.com. Here at Grand Purpose, I'm doing a lot of restoration, a lot of rebuilding, player piano installation. We buy and we sell. But in this video, I like to show you how I do hammers. I normally get my hammers from supply companies in rough form, so this way I can shape them to match the instrument that I'm working on. You can see I have a rough hammer here, and I'm tapering the hammers themselves to try to get it down to the weight that I'm trying to achieve with this piano. So there's a lot involved. There's more than just getting the hammers from a supply company and gluing them on the piano. The proper way to do it is to go through this process, which is to taper the hammers, find out what weight they are, what weight the original hammers were, make improvements for whatever angles they might be off, and of course boring distances have to be corrected as well. So here I'm doing the boring on the hammer, which is drilling the hole into it to make sure that I have it in the proper place, so that when the hammer goes up, it's not arcing too much. It should work a certain way, and without getting too technical, that's what I'm doing here. So once I get the hammers all ready to go there with boring, I have to go ahead and shape the back of the tail. So the tail is for the back check of the piano, which is like the catcher's mitt. So when you play a piano and the hammer goes up, it comes back and it catches onto that back check. And that's what this is for. It's so that it has a nice smooth transition onto the back check. It's also a critical distance there. You want to make sure you take off the proper amount. Of course, I do it to the whole set. And once I do all this, in this situation, I'm keeping all the parts to the piano. Everything was good, and the customer wanted me just to put on new hammers. So that's what I'm doing to this Sohmer Grand right now. And this was a very big hammer, so I had to get special molding for this, so this way it would work with the piano. Once I'm done doing all the work to the hammers, I go ahead and I number them. This tool right here actually is kind of cool, and it will go ahead and number them all and sequentially and advance it to the next number. So this way I can just go ahead and boom and do all 88. Once I get everything in shape here, then I go and I prepare the keyboard, taking all the hammers off except the guide hammers, and then getting it on a special jig that I made, and then I can go ahead and I can start gluing the hammers on. This process is time consuming because it's very critical to make sure that they're even, that you get the proper angle according to the way the direction of the string is. So I spend a lot of time doing a really good job on this, knowing how critical it is once it gets into the piano. So this is a beautiful set done at Grand Purpose, and if you have a piano that you'd like to have worked on, please contact us at grandpurpose.com. I could come out and look at your piano and help you to make that decision. Thanks again, and have a great day.